Hello guys, welcome back to Let's Talk Engineering, and today I will be talking about cloning. You might see cloning in sci-fi shows like Star Wars or Pokemon. In Star Wars, they clone stormtroopers, which are a perfect copy of the original. In Pokemon, they created Mewtwo by cloning Mew, and they enhanced the ability. So cloning can be just copy and pasting, or adding new genes into the clone. All of this has already been done. In 1996, Dolly the sheep was cloned from an adult cell and is the world's first cloned mammal. It showed the scientific community and the people around the world that animals can be cloned, and maybe even humans. Since then, many animals has been cloned from cows to rats. Next, you might be wondering why cloning is important. One of the reasons is to prevent the extinction of endangered animals. But wait, couldn't you just keep on breeding a small group of endangered animals and slowly release them into the wild? The biggest issue is going to be inbreeding and a lack of biodiversity. This is called the extinction vortex. As you can see from the picture, it is shaped like a vortex or spiral. So, first there is a small population of animals, usually endangered, and we start to breed them to each other. This means that there's going to be a loss of biodiversity since they would be passing on the same trait or genes to each other. Then the offsprings are going to have a decrease in fitness and adaptability since it allows defects in their genes to be shown or expressed. This means that it will cause a low reproduction rate and a higher mortality rate since these defects greatly shorten their lifespan and attractiveness. All of this is going to cause an even smaller population, and the process repeats until all of the animal dies. As you can see from the graph, the main culprit is the loss of genetic diversity, and cloning is a solution to the problem. Instead of copying and pasting the endangered animals, we're going to be adding genes to the animals. This will prevent the lack of diversity in endangered animals and stop the extinction vortex. Another way is to clone a very old cell, like from the 1900s before the vortex began, and then introduce that animal, that clone, back to the group that you're trying to breed. One example is Elizabeth N, a Blackfoot weasel. She was successfully cloned from cells in the 1900s, which means that it has different genes than the one that is found in ferrets today. This means when she has offsprings, she's going to be passing on her genes to her babies. This means that the extinction vortex will be prevented and Blackfoot ferret population will start to bloom. So instead of fearing cloning, we should embrace it and make the world a more diverse place. Thank you for watching the video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe. Peace out.